Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make plates. Okay, so knife plates. This is like the most common type of plate. It's often used in school skirts and just other decorative things. So I make it by folding the fabric, like laying it on itself and then measuring it. For this project I used 1 inch. You could make yours higher than 1 inch or lower than 1 inch depending on how you want your project to look, but the bigger you make it, the fuller. So I just keep folding and remeasuring to make sure it's 1 inch. So I'm gonna fold through the fabric. So next I take this sewing machine and feed it like so, and then when sewing I make sure I sew this direction and not the other direction because it's gonna be harder to sew. So I start sewing, and as I sew I make sure I remove any pins that come in my way and try to maintain the plate I have already made. Next I take it to my ironing board, arrange it and then press, and my plates are ready. Box pleats, kiss pleats. This plate goes by multiple names, but it's basically just 2 knife plates facing each other. So I make a knife plate first, pin, and then make a knife plate in the opposite direction facing each other. So I actually prefer the name kiss plate because these are just 2 knife plates kissing themselves. After pinning my pleats, I just repeat the sewing and pressing process. Okay, so accordion plates. These are basically knife plates, but they are way smaller, as you will see. So I use pins to achieve the previous knife plate. So I'm just going to do this with a machine because you don't need to use pins all the time. So this is how you make plates when you do not want to use pins. I actually do this most of the times because it's actually faster. Okay, so after sewing this, I'm just gonna press it. Pressing this one is a little bit more tricky because you have smaller things to arrange. So I'll say take your time, arrange it, and then press. Okay, so the next type of plate is a stitch down plate. This one has a little calculation to it. So I'm going to start by just marking into the fabric, so I know that's where I'm going to start my mark from. So from that point, I'm going to measure 2 inches. So now the thing with this type of plate is any measurement you use, you're going to use half of that measurement. So I measured 2 the first time, then 1, then I measured 2, then 1 again. So say you're using 4, you're going to measure 4, then 8, then 4, and 8. So to sew this, I'm basically closing out the bigger measurements, which was 2. So I put both points of the 2 together and then sew a stitch down. So now the length of this stitch depends on you or depends on the project you're working on. So for this I didn't even measure, I just sewed. You could sew anywhere from half an inch to an inch. So when I sew that now, the next thing I do is I skip that 1 inch. Is going to be a space between the 2 inches. So I skip that 1 inch and then fold the 2 inches again and then sew. When I fold 2 inches, it technically becomes 1 inch, and then the 1 inch in between is the allowance for the plates to lap on each other. You're going to see when I iron this because it's kind of hard to explain. So this is what it looks like after it's been sewn. I hope it kind of explains itself now. So that space in between is the 1 inch I left, and then the parts I sewed are the 2 inches. So I'm going to take this and iron it. So the cool thing about this kind of pleats is you can decide to make it knife pleats or kiss pleats. It just depends on how you press it. So the first two, I'm going to make them knife pleats, and then the rest I'm going to make them kiss pleats. So now from this kiss pleats, you're going to see why I left that space in between. So that when I open it up, 1/2 inch lays into the allowance, and then when I open the second one up, the 1/2 inch also lay, and then they're not lapping on each other to cause any bulk, just like that. Congratulations, you now know how to make pleats. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, and let me know what you would like to see me do in the comment section down below. And also share this video with your friends if you love this, and I'm going to see you on my next post. Bye for now.